Ffrindiau, friends, dyma ein amser. This is our time. Mae hi'n neges sydd wedi atseinio drwy strydoedd Bangor heddiw. It's a message that has been heard ringing through the streets of Bangor today. Mae'n fraint o'r mwyaf i fod yma efo chi heddiw yma. Ar ôl Merthyr Tydfil, ar ôl Caerdydd, Wrecsam, Caernarfon, Abertawe, tro Bangor oedd hi heddiw i ddeud yn bod ni yn barod i gymryd cyfrifoldeb am yn dyfodol yn hunan fel gwlad. Today, we say that independence is the I in Bangor I. But it's also I for inspiration. You are inspiring a nation to think what it could be. It is I for innovation because we want to change our future. I because our eyes are scanning the horizon for a new hope. And I because I know and we know that this is not as good as it gets for Wales. Mi oedd Bangor yn rhan mawr o'n ieuenctid i, yn Hafarn y Glob ar Belfiw, ar y Menai Folt, lawr i'r High Street, Octagon os oedden ni'n fentrus. Fyna nes I gymaint o'n hyfu fyny. I did a lot of my growing up in Bangor, and in the Bangor of my youth, over a pint in those hope-filled days and nights, our own personal aspirations and dreams were naturally intertwined with our designs and our desires for the future of our country. We could see the injustice. We protested for our community and for our language, and we dreamt of having a voice as a nation. Now I am a member of the Senedd. It is an honour beyond words. But as important as it is to have our own parliament, and as much as we can achieve through our parliaments, the Senedd, as Sarah said, can only be one step on our development and our journey as a nation. Its limitations and the continued grip of the UK establishment, its ability to undermine and betray Wales at whim is why we today march for independence. A mae yna genhedlaeth newydd rwan yn does, yn gweld yr anghyfiawndor wela ni yn y dyddiau hynny, ac mae yna ddyhead am ddechrau newydd sydd yn gryfach nag erioed. Yn y Senedd yr wythnos yma, mi reis i'r achos unwaith eto am ail-lunio'r berthynas rhwng y gwledydd yn yr ynysoedd yma, yn dadla y bydda berthynas newydd rhwng gwledydd annibynnol o fydd I ni I gyd, ond galw arna fi I gadw'n ffydd yn y deyrnas unedig wnaeth yn prif weinidog ni, ond ar sail pa dystiolaeth. I put the case in the Senedd again this week for independence. But I was told once again by our First Minister to keep faith in the United Kingdom. That's how we pool our resources, he said. How we make sure that we all share in the rewards. But this most disunited of kingdoms has long forgotten how to share fairly. The UK is a means to protect unalienable rights, I was told. But what about our rights as a nation to get the respect that we deserve and not the contempt that we so often feel? On HS2, on water, on the Crown Estate, an energy-rich, a water-rich nation with some of the highest bills in the UK. On what grounds do we keep faith in the United Kingdom? The fact that every now and then we might get a less bad government at Westminster doesn't take away from the fact that the UK establishment of any colour will never promote Wales as a priority. Never. And that's why we say it is time for Wales. Mae'n amser am Gymru. Many of us have marched before been swept along by this visionary wave. Others are here for the first time, and to you in particular, I say croeso, welcome. Maybe you are here out of curiosity. Well, hold on to that curiosity and keep on asking the questions. Fear of the unknown is quite natural. And that is why we must continue making the case for independence for Wales by portraying that positive vision and being honest about how we overcome the challenges that face us. But let's also send the message, perhaps the most important message, to those who aren't here with us today. And my message is, whoever you are, born and bred in Wales, arrived here last week, independence is about your future too. This is for all our friends, all our futures. Join us. Gyfeillion, siwrne ydi hon. A mae hi'n fraint gen I fod ar y siwrna yma efo chi. This is a journey, and it is my deepest honor to be on that journey with you. I'm grateful, and I say thanks on behalf of all of us to all the organisers of this march. We are marching towards independence. The destination of that journey is a beacon that has shone brightly for me all my life. And it is burning brighter than ever here in Bangor today. Our future, our independence, ein dyfodol ni, ein annibyniaeth ni. Diolch o galon i chi gyd.